Hi there, it's Chelle and Clint. Clint wanted me to just show his his thing. He's a nut. Today we're just going to do something fun. My friend Sue was talking about this, and it's like a deviled egg casserole, and she said it's so good. She makes it for dinner sometimes. And she said she loves having breakfast for dinner. And I have never heard of a hot deviled egg casserole. And I've been wanting to try this, but we only have fresh eggs. So, yesterday when we were at the store, or the other day, I asked Clint if he would stop, or if he would buy some eggs. So, I'm not much of a measurer. This is about half a teaspoon. I just kind of eyeball it. That's what I've always done. Sorry, guys. Okay, and then pepper. So what you do is you boil, hard boil, 6 eggs. And you split them in half, like you're making deviled eggs, you know. In here, and I'm adding salt and pepper. Actually, it didn't say pepper, but I'm adding pepper. And then it says to add sour cream. So I don't know about this recipe. I believe I found it on allrecipes.com. No, I think I got it off All Recipes, and it says to put sour cream in here and in the hold on. But yeah, it shows 4 tablespoons per the whole for the whole thing, but it doesn't tell me, you know, how to divide it up. So I just use my and then 2 teaspoons of mustard. I just use my regular dinnerware because I've measured them before, and they actually do hold exactly like a teaspoon and a tablespoon. Just a tip for you, and then you don't have to clean as much, you know. So, and then 2 teaspoons. So I put 2 tablespoons of sour cream here. 2 teaspoons of mustard. I'm gonna set those aside. Then you just want to mix it up with your, but like I said, I've never heard of this, and I did look it up when she told me about it. She told me about it like in October, and I've thought about it, you know, for on and off. She told me about this in October, and I've been wanting to try it. I just haven't yet. Tastes okay. I like to taste everything, you know, just to make sure. So I'm going to use my mustard spoon. The thing we're going to put is a can of cream of mushroom, and it looks like we put half of it down now in the bottom of our pan. This pan, I would say, is about a 9 by 8 or 9 by something. It's not a, you know, you guys know how I am. And it just says put half of the can of cream of mushroom. I love cream of mushroom, but I know a lot of people don't. So if you don't, then maybe, you know, substitute cream of chicken or something else for it. We both love mushrooms. And you want to go ahead and do that so that we can fill our little eggs and put them in the bottom layer. So I'm going to do that. So I got them all in there, and that's like a perfect size dish. So what I did earlier is I went ahead and sauteed up half a cup of onion in this pan, and now I'm going to add, I've been letting it cool for a little bit, so I'm going to add 2 more tablespoons, whatever, tablespoons, that's it, of sour cream. So I'm just going to kind of scoop that in there. And then the rest of the soup. Like I said, I've never tried this before, and she kind of said this was real similar to her recipe. Hi, Sue. I know you're watching. I don't make a lot of cooking videos, though I cook every single day because I love it. I love to cook. And then we're just going to stir that up. That goes on top of the eggs. And then it looks like it's topped with cheese. This says you can, well, it says to refrigerate overnight, but I don't think that's necessary. If you guys know, let me know. I think it's just one of those really, you can prepare it the night before and make it for breakfast, you know. That's kind of my thought. So I'm just going to stir that up well. So I just sauteed the onions in just a little bit of butter. I was trying to make this pretty Weight Watcher friendly. So when I come back and show you my plate, I'll show you how many, how many points it is if you're on Weight Watchers and we're curious. I don't think it's a lot until you put the cheese on. So it might be really good, you know, as far as Weight Watcher friendly meal. And that's one reason I've been wanting to try it, because on the program I'm on, eggs are 0 points. And I've really been wanting to, but like I said, I've never heard of baked deviled eggs. So it's I'm kind of excited to try it. Okay. There we go. And then, I don't want to waste any of that. I think I have a lid for this too, so leftovers will be easy to store. Okay, so then we are going to, let's see, sprinkle of cheese and paprika. That's it. So I just grated up, it said about a cup of cheese. I just grated up what I had left. It's about 6 ounces. So I just had like a chunk. I don't really crave cheese very often, so our cheese sometimes goes bad. And there was just a chunk I wanted to use the end of. But, you know, if I was doing this, just, you know, like from a fresh thing of cheese, I probably would put less cheese on it. But I'm not, you know, a huge fan of cheese. But, and then paprika, which is about half a teaspoon. I'm just going to sprinkle it, I guess. Make it look pretty. Okay. And then it's going in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. So, does it say cover? Cover, refrigerate, bake in preheated oven. It doesn't say to cover, so I'm not going to cover it because I don't think it's going to be tough or anything. So we're going to cook it for 30 minutes in a 350-degree preheated oven, and we'll be back with a taste test. See you in a minute. Okay guys, it is hot from the oven. You can still see it boiling, and oh, I'm so excited. Clint and I both agree that there's too much cheese, but neither one of us are huge cheese fans.
No,
so
not so much. Just
we're gonna
what was that part?
give it a try. Because of the cheese, I did kind of figure up the points, and they're really high in points. If you are following Weight Watchers, it is on the blue plan for 1 egg, so 2 halves. And that little sauce and stuff is like 6 points. So it's really high in points, but like I said, next time I would just do a small sprinkle of cheese. But here goes the taste test. Are you getting ready? What? Oh yeah, just save them. Yeah, just put them there for now. Okay.
I know. Ready to go to bed.
Yeah,
We're
it's
taking
like
a nap.
it's time for a nap.
I'm tired. I'm
I'm
wore
gonna
out.
let you do the first test.
Go right ahead. It was your creation. I know. Can you guys
It
see?
smells really good, but it smells too cheesy for me. Sorry, I gotta blow on it. Clint's wary. Hot. Mm-hmm. It's very interesting. I like it, I think. Sorry, I have to let it. I would show us like taking a taste test, but we haven't showered or done our hair or anything.
Not my cup of tea. Sorry.
You're not a fan?
No, sorry.
I like it. I think it'd be really good with like sausage or something on the side. So you guys give this a try. Let us know in the comments if it's something that appeals to you, if it's something you'd be interested in. It's definitely different, but you know, if you have a lot of eggs, especially from Easter or something, it might be worth trying. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button. I mainly do crafts, but once in a while I'll do cooking videos. Thank you guys so much, and we will see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye.
Bye, guys.